Good morning. We're going to do a walk around of this gem we just picked up. It's a 1974 Westy VW camper van, and me and my son are hoping to restore it. Let me take you around and just show you it before we get started. Okay, so it's pretty rotted on the bottom half. You can actually see here, there's holes. The bottom of the van door is rotted off. The whole track is rotted out. The top half is pretty decent. The doors, actually, they have some surface rust, but no holes. The floor isn't half bad except for around the edges. There's a little bit of damage up here, even into the back of the seat there for some reason. The wheel well's all but gone. We started tinkering a little bit with her. Whole back is gone. Engine is here and intact. Battery tray isn't half horrible, but it does have some rust. You actually can see this engine is not seized up, which is a great thing. Missing a distributor. We're going to change the fluids on that and just see if we can get it started, but it'll probably get a complete rebuild after we're done with it. The hatch is still open. The Westy top actually still opens, just no canvas. You can see this side here, pretty rough. Open up the door. It's been robbed of a lot of its stuff. We took the steering wheel off yesterday just trying to get some stuff done. We're going to gut it and do weld repairs and start rebuilding it from the ground up. So be on the lookout for more videos of our 1974 Westy van. Let me know what you'd like to see.